today, I'm going to show you guys how to just do a full interior clean on your car. I myself have a steamer, just waiting right now for that to warm up. This can all be done without a steamer. It's just going to require a little more elbow grease. Because I have it, I may as well utilize it. If you guys watched the last couple videos back, I pulled it out of storage, so I figured why not make this video and show you guys in the dead of winter how to clean your interior. It's pretty gross. There's like stuff in the seats. The carpets are really disgusting. Same goes with the back seats. Actually, while we're waiting for the steamer to warm up, I'm gonna go ahead and do this door entirely without the steamer, just to show you guys, you know, that it can be done and you can still get good results. So I'm just gonna be using some all-purpose cleaner, diluted, I think like 4:1 water to all-purpose cleaner. And you can actually pretty much use this to clean the entire interior of the car. Next, I've got a microfiber. I've got a couple of these. My detailer's brush. This is really good for getting into like the door handles and into the vents themselves. And then I've also just got a kind of coarse brush right here that I use for the larger areas. Wait, definitely recommend wearing some gloves, because if it's cold out like it is here, your hands are gonna get really cold really fast, especially when they start to get wet. Pick yourself up a pair of gloves. It'll be a lot more enjoyable. Now that all this plastic and everything is cleaned up, I think you can kind of see it's definitely much more of a matte finish. It took a lot of that gloss off. You can definitely tell now that I've cleaned it, like this part here has a lot of sun bleaching on it. So I mean, something like that would take a serious amount of restoration to get it back to this original blue. One reason I wanted to kind of touch base on this entire interior, I'm thinking about changing the whole interior to black and getting rid of the blue entirely, which would involve painting all of these blue panels, probably either dyeing or recarpeting these in black, changing out the seats, the carpets, the headliner, pretty much the entire interior. I think with my plans for the car, black would definitely look a lot better for the interior. So back to the detail though, I'm gonna leave these carpets because I did get some carpet cleaner. I'm gonna try and see if that works on this. This is gonna end up having to be restored because there's just nothing you can really do about that. Now the steamer should be good and we can move on to the driver's side door. So essentially it's gonna be the same process as we did on the other door, except this time we're gonna be using some steam. It should be a little bit faster and easier to get a better result on the plastic here. What I'm doing here is basically working from the outside in. So the whole process of the interior detail is going to be to start from the outside, then we're going to do the dash and maybe the other exterior parts, and then work our way towards the center here, and then finish up with the seats and the floors. One reason I was saying to do the doors first is because it's freezing cold out, so now you have the opportunity to close the door. That way it'll obviously be a lot warmer when you're working on it, and we can spend some time cleaning up this entire dash and then working down into the center here. Now that we've pretty much wiped down everything in the interior, every plastic panel, back of these seats, the leather, pretty much everything except for the glass, the carpets, the seats themselves. So the next step would be to get the vacuum going and just vacuum everything, including every surface that we just wiped down. Alright, so I just got this side of the rear done. Now I got to do that side, and then we'll move up to the two front floors. All that's left is the glass think that's pretty much it. I gotta throw the carpets back on. Once the carpets and seats dry a little bit, I'm gonna vacuum them over one more time to pull up any loose soap. If I finish this in time, I think I'm gonna go head over to the car wash and get the exterior desalted and cleaned up.
A few moments later.
All right, all done. Not bad at all, and it smells actually great in here. It doesn't smell like 30-year-old dust anymore. It does look a hell of a lot cleaner. Just got all the gunk and stuff off, like the different buttons on here. Tried to clean up all these crevices and stuff and try and get all that dirt out. I think the carpets and the seats actually came out the best. These have just like a really nice kind of clean suede feeling to them now, whereas before they were almost waxy. I don't know, it was really gross. So this actually smells and looks really good, and I have time to go wash the car, so I'm gonna go over to the car wash. But first, one last addition, just what I need to make this thing smell good. Up the video for today. I just wanted to get all this 30-year-old dirt and crap off this car and kind of start fresh. So I do have a huge mod coming to the Prelude this weekend. So it's supposed to be here tomorrow. I believe UPS is bringing it tomorrow afternoon. So I'm hoping to install it either Saturday or Sunday, but I'm sure you guys already know. I'm sure I must have mentioned what it is. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be freaking awesome. And as always, like this video if it helped you out. Comment down below if you have anything you want to talk about or whatever. Hit that subscribe button so we can elevate this channel to 1,000 subscribers. So I'll see you guys soon, and thank you for watching. Peace.